Hello friends, today's topic 123% profit in last 1 year in this stock. Complete details. I am Dr. Bharath. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. This is a video on the fundamental analysis of Varun Beverages. We have made this video to give investors a brief idea about how the company and how it has improved over the years. The intention of making such videos is to make you aware of different companies and not that it has to be invested in. Varun Beverages Company, the journey, started in 1995 by Mr. Ravi Jaipuria and named after his son Varun. It is a subsidiary of RJ Corp, which runs Devyani International, which is the largest franchisee of KFC, Pizza Hut and Costa Coffee in India. Varun Beverages bottles and distributes beverages made by Pepsi. It is the second largest bottling company of PepsiCo outside USA. The bottles drinks such as Pepsi, 7-Up, Mountain Dew, Mirinda. It distributes juices such as Tropicana, Slice, Gatorade, Sting, Lipton Iced Tea and Aquafina bottled water. The company has distribution network in almost states and union territories in India. It also exports products in Nepal, Sri Lanka, Morocco, Mozambique, Zambia and Zimbabwe. In 2022, it has entered in an agreement to manufacture Kurkure puffcorn snacks. Varun Beverages has been the loyal partner of PepsiCo for almost 30 years. It is 100% dependent on PepsiCo for the raw material that goes into the beverages. It is the Pepsi brand that helps sell the drinks. So without PepsiCo, Varun Beverages would not be very big. However, since Varun Beverages has set up a wide distribution network in India and abroad for Pepsi's beverages. In 2011, Varun Beverages contributed just 26% of PepsiCo's beverage sale in India, but in 2021, it was contributing to 85% of PepsiCo in India's beverage sales. Until 2019, PepsiCo ran its own bottling and distribution unit in the south and west zone of India. But PepsiCo realized that Varun Beverages was doing a better job of bottling and distribution and hence handed the units to Varun Beverages itself. Out of the total of around 1 crore retail outlets spread across India, Varun Beverages has distribution to around 30 lakhs only. Most retail outlets cannot store cool drinks due to electricity issues. But in the next few years, as all parts of India get regular and uninterrupted electricity, Varun Beverages can distribute to more outlets. As per contract, Varun Beverages has the right to bottle Pepsi in India till 2039. Apart from India, there is scope to various countries, especially in places where Pepsi does not have a presence currently. Varun Beverages' future growth depends on how popular Pepsi becomes compared to Coca-Cola, which is the market leader in carbonated beverages. Also recently, Reliance Industries has acquired a popular old brand called Campo Cola and is hoping to gain market share from Coca-Cola and Pepsi. So, although it looked like Varun Beverages is a monopoly with respect to Pepsi's beverages, it still has to compete with the sales of Coca-Cola's brands such as Coca-Cola, Sprite, Thumbs Up, Limca and Fanta. Now the products of Varun Beverages in front of you. Here is the statistics. Market share of carbonated drinks in India. Company Coca-Cola brands Sprite, Thumbs Up, Coca-Cola etc. 51%. Pepsi brands Pepsi, 7-Up, Mountain Dew, Mirinda 34%. Others 15%. Varun Beverages yearly financials. December 2013, total sales 2115 crores, net profit minus 40 crores. December 2014, total sales 2502 crores and net profit minus 20 crores. 2015, total sales 3394 and versus net profit 113 crores. 2016, 3861 versus 48. 2017, 4004 versus 214 crores and 2018, 5105 is the total sales. net profit 300 crores. December 2019, total sales 7130 crores, net profit 472 crores. December 2020, total sales 6450 crores, net profit 357 crores. December 2021, total sales 8823 crores versus net profit 746 crores, and December 2022 bumper total sales 13,173 crores, net profit 1550 crores. Varun Beverages sales and profit. 5 years sales growth 27%, net profit growth 49%. 10 years sales growth 22%, net profit growth 51%. Varun Beverages IPO details. IPO issue price 445 per share. IPO listing 8 November 2016. Issue size 1112.50 crores. IPO subscription 1.86 times. Varun Beverages approximate market share 1,71,000 crores. It is a large cap stock. It's a part of the Nifty Next 50 index and also Nifty Mid Cap 100 index. Varun Beverages bonus and split history. First bonus 2019, ratio 1:2, existing shares 100, bonus shares 50, total 150. Again, second bonus 2021, ratio 1:2, existing shares 150, total 225. Now, third bonus 2022, ratio 1:2 and existing shares 225, total 337. Assuming that investor had 100 shares before bonus. Varun Beverages bonus and split history continuing split 2023, ratio 10:5, existing shares 337, extra shares due to split 337, total 674. So if investor had 100 shares in 2019, he would have 674 shares after bonus and split. If the company had not declared any bonus or split, the shares, the investors would have continued to have 100 shares, assuming 100 shares were bought, and the approximate share price would have been around 8,500 per share. Now, Varun Beverages yearly closing rate prices adjusted for bonus and split. Year 2016, 56.41, 2017, 97, 2018, 116, 2019, 158, 2020, 204, 2021, 296, 2022, 661, 2023, whole year average 1,237 rupees. So 10,000 per year from January 2017 to until today. Suppose an investor had invested 10,000 at the beginning of every year, and then he would have had in 8 years approximately 536 shares. Total approximate share price 1,280 today. Total investment 8 into 10,000, 80,000. Total value 536 into 1,280 is 6,86,080 rupees instead of 80,000. 10,000 invested in November 2016, 7 years and 2 months. 8 November 2016, 10,000, you have got 68 stocks, price adjusted for bonus and split. 5th February 2024, it is now 1,280 and the value is 1,88,160 rupees. CAGR working out to 49.9% per annum. Here is an announcement. ನನ್ನ ಸಂಬಳ ಕೇವಲ 30,000. ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಕೋಟಿ ತಲುಪಬಹುದೇ. ಒಂದು ಚರ್ಚೆ. Tomorrow, 6 February, Tuesday at 9:15 p.m. YouTube live on Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute Kannada channel. Please come with your friends. Varun Beverages returns for different periods. For an investor, 1 year returns 123%, 3 year returns 86% per annum, 5 year returns 60% per annum. Varun Beverages graph 2017 to 2024, all-time intraday high 1,380, all-time intraday low 50.4, and both prices are split adjusted and see the graph continuously going up and going further up. There is an increasing awareness that carbonated drinks are not good for health. So Coca-Cola and Pepsi are putting efforts to rely less and less on soft drinks and launch new products in different categories. So this is a negative point for Varun Beverages. We have to see how the company diversifies in the future. However, so far in the history after being listed, its business has grown well and the stock has given fantastic returns. There is still plenty of scope to grow if it can reach more retail outlets and manage to sell more beverages. It will be interesting few years for the company on how it manages to compete against competition and also against the trend of people avoiding carbonated drinks. At the end of the video, here is the question. When you drink carbonated drinks, which brand do you prefer? Type in the comment section. If you are not the member of our channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.